नोएडा फिल्म सिटी में स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में 26 से 28 नवंबर तक चलने वाले 13वें ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल के पहले दिन के तीसरे सत्र में मनोरंजन उद्योग में इवेंट्स के महत्व और इसके बदलते स्वरूप पर चर्चा की गई। कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी के इस दौर में एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हो रहे बदलाव का भी अध्ययन किया गया। 13वें ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल प्रेसिडेंट एवं ICMEI के प्रेसिडेंट संदीप मारवा ने कहा कि कोरोना महामारी के दौरान मनोरंजन उद्योग सबसे बुरी तरह से प्रभावित रहा। बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम स्थगित होने के कारण राजस्व का बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है। वर्तमान समय में एंटरटेनमेंट का तरीका बदल गया है। सब कुछ मोबाइल, कंप्यूटर और टेलीविजन चैनल पर आ गया है।
Today, I'm very proudly I can say that Noida Film City is the fastest growing film city in the world today. 100-acre complex, 75 acres outdoor, 25 acres indoor, 16 studios, and out of 16 studios, 350 channels are being broadcast to 162 countries 24/7. Around about 17,000 media professionals, they're working in this film city in 3 shifts of 8 hours each. When it comes to Marva Studios, we're very happy that we have churned out around about 4,500 television program for more than 50 channels. We are associated with around 150 feature films and 5,000 films we have made. And my production company has 2,900 short films from this place. Where we are happy that our institution has given birth to more than 19,000 media professionals hailing from 145 countries of the world. Coming back to tourism, 30 years back, we gave one word to English dictionary of film tourism, and people were a bit amazed, rather shocked, and they could not actually relate themselves to film tourism. But today I'm happy that the whole world is talking about film tourism, and every country is trying their level best to attract feature films and television programs to their country so that their locales should get popular.
Thank all the speakers that came before me, because everyone said exactly how I feel about our Dr. Sandeep Marwa. You know, he's one of the best individuals that I can say I've ever met in this world. He is one of the only individuals that I've ever met that resume is the longest, and he's actually delivered and received and done every spectacular information on the resume.
And team and the ICMEI for giving this platform, and you are doing wonders in this pandemic, because this COVID has already disrupted all businesses. And I represent MSMEs. MSMEs are the heart, and film and entertainment industry, they have been also been greatly hit by this pandemic.
Moment is celebration, and I completely agree that we are born with celebration till the death, and celebration should be every time, because that is the feel good factor. And Marwa ji, you are simply amazing person who unites every time a group of people. They are from different walks of life, and here we are again, everyone is to celebrate the award event, and I congratulate everyone. And at the same time, I want to speak 2 lines about the media, present media. Unfortunately, greater the banners, bigger the hypocrisy right now.
It's my pleasure, and I must thank you, Mr. Sandeep ji, for giving this opportunity to speak in such a dignified platform. As for the entertainment is concerned, during the last 7-8 months, we are facing so much, stress everywhere. So entertainment events should happen, in a vigorous way. Otherwise, people cannot simply work with a, cool mind, because in everyday's life also entertainment is required. But for this last 7-8 months, what is happening all over the world, it is more required to help the people, to whatever work they are doing in a peace manner.
इस कार्यक्रम में लॉयंस क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली वेस्ट के गौरव गुप्ता, DEARC एंटरटेनमेंट के रिदम दत्ता, आफ्टरनून इंग्लिश डेली की डॉक्टर वैदेही तमन सहित इस क्षेत्र से जुड़े हुए कई प्रतिष्ठित गणमान्य महानुभावों ने अपनी गरिमामय उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई।